In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to subtract shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the Pathfinder tool. This is one of the most important techniques for creating logos, icons, custom typography, and clean vector designs. Once you understand how shape subtraction works, you'll be able to build more complex graphics in just a few clicks. So, if you're ready to level up your Illustrator skills, let's jump right in. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Illustrator guides. Alright, the first thing you need to do is create the shapes you want to work with. You can use any shape tool from the toolbar, like the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, or even custom shapes made with the pen tool. For this example, let's say we have a large circle and a smaller rectangle that we want to cut out from that circle. Now, here's the key principle when subtracting shapes in Illustrator. The shape on top is the one that will be removed from the shape underneath. So make sure you place the shape you want to subtract on top of the base shape. If it's not on top, simply right-click the object, go to Arrange, and choose Bring to Front. Layer order matters here, so don't skip this step. Once your subtracting shape is positioned correctly on top of the main shape, the next step is to select both shapes. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over both objects, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking each shape individually. Just make sure both objects are selected at the same time before moving on. With both shapes selected, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Pathfinder. This will open the Pathfinder panel, which contains several shape modes that allow you to combine, divide, and subtract objects. Inside the Pathfinder panel, look at the top row under Shape Modes. You'll see options like Unite, Minus Front, Intersect, and Exclude. The one we need for subtracting shapes is called Minus Front. Go ahead and click on Minus Front. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will subtract the top shape from the bottom shape, cutting that area out instantly. You'll now be left with a single vector shape where the front object used to be. It's clean, precise, and completely editable as a vector path. If you want to adjust the result further, you can use the Direct Selection tool to move anchor points around or refine the edges. And remember, once you apply Minus Front, the two original shapes become one combined path, so you won't be able to move them independently unless you undo the action. Here's a quick troubleshooting tip. If Minus Front is grayed out or not working, double-check that both objects are vector shapes and not grouped images or raster graphics. Also make sure you haven't accidentally locked one of the layers. Everything must be selectable and active for Pathfinder to work properly. This technique is incredibly powerful for logo design, badge creation, text cutouts, and layered illustrations. You can experiment with multiple overlapping shapes to create more complex cutout effects. The more you practice with Pathfinder, the more control you'll have over your vector designs. And that's it. That's exactly how you subtract shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the Pathfinder tool. Simple, fast, and extremely useful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.